Hey friends, it's Kobe Gaming here. Just want to share some information with you guys. Combos that works for me and works well. Farm combos. Farming is such an essential part of the game, although nobody talks about it. Um, I've worked on some farm combos. So for stone, for food, for wood, and for gold. More important is obviously these were sent out to all 6 nodes and they were walking to different nodes. The more important thing here, what I want to share, is the time that these guys take to go out and to come back. So if you look at a time span, it's literally, if you use it in this format, it literally every 2 hours and let's say that one is the longest. So let's say 2 hours and 5 minutes. You can log in for literally a minute and send out your 4 marches. So even if you're at work, it's the time it takes you to read a text that you can send out these marches, which will actually become extremely effective over time.